hello to my new baby. I can't wait to get her home. Before we get into it, I just wanted to thank one of my subscribers who sent me a Lordum grow light. It is a LED plant light for your indoor plants, and it's adjustable. You just stick it in your planting pot. It has an auto on and off timer, and it's really bright. As you can see, I have it on a low dim. But look, I discovered that I have 2 new plant leaves, so I'm really excited. But let's get into my new plant. Never seen this for sale in any of the garden centers or any of my plant friends. So when I came across this today, I had to purchase it. Even though it was in a small 4-inch pot and the price $50, I immediately, when she told me that that was the only plant in the store, I had to take it. Now that I have it and it's here at home, it's already starting to adapt to the temperature. I just love it, and even though the Philodendron brantanium is rare, it's a tropical plant, and it's really seldom that you see them in the stores. You might be able to obtain one yourself, so just keep a good lookout for it. If you have a friend that has one, I'm sure they would gladly offer a cutting. I have a couple of friends that I have in mind. Once mine gets acclimated to my home, I would gladly share a cutting. It's absolutely beautiful. These tropical plants, they're simple to grow. They'll flourish without requiring much effort on your part. Philodendron brantanium should be planted in rich, well-drained potting mix at all times, and they're commonly cultivated indoor. You mostly see them indoors, but you can also grow them outdoors. So yeah, I will definitely having mine outdoors once it warms up a little bit. This philodendron thrives in soil that's loose, well-drained, rich in organic matter, and it also may be grown in peat moss. A lot of people use the peat moss poles to encourage the leaves to grow bigger, or you can use them in a hanging basket. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do. Just love it. And this right here, I'm just showing you a collection of other plants that I have been growing. I have several other plants in my kitchen, in my bedroom, in my bathroom, but this is just a few. This is my new favorite plant. Look at those beautiful leaves. I love it. I love it. And this is another plant that I propagated, and it was so much fun to watch it grow over the last year and a half. I'm super excited. It's probably time to repot this bad boy. I discovered that one of the leaves actually has a little bit of variegation on it. So, yep, it's about time to start thinking about repotting this. And I don't know if I'm gonna let it grow up a moss pole or just kind of leave it like it is. But thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun shopping. It's always nice to have some me time and to enjoy your indoor plants. Soon we will be talking about the outdoors. If you haven't already, start ordering your seeds. Some have already started planting. I decided this year that I'm going to plant directly in the ground, so it's going to be a while. But in the meantime, I will continue to share my updated indoor plant videos, cooking. I always have fun cooking with you. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that like, comment, share. Yes, share my videos and subscribe. I will see you soon. Blessings.